Hi, this is Suzanne Vasbinder with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Today we are showcasing 20886 Torre Del Lago Street in beautiful Bella Terra. So come on in as we show you the property. This spacious two-story estate home is located on a premium oversized lot that backs onto a tranquil preserve and offers beautiful lake views. This certified pre-owned 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom pool home is move-in ready and perfect for entertaining. The master suite is a true retreat, complete with its own screen balcony overlooking the lake and preserve, a cozy sitting area, walk-in closets, and a spacious ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and separate shower. The extra long driveway accommodates multiple vehicles, an added bonus since Bella Terra does not allow overnight street parking. Enjoy ultimate privacy around your pool and lanai thanks to the lush preserve setting. Bella Terra is a highly desirable community offering an incredible array of resort-style amenities, all with a low HOA fee. Residents enjoy access to a beautiful resort-style community pool, spa, clubhouse, tennis and pickleball courts, sand volleyball, and much more. Ideally located off Corkscrew Road, Bella Terra offers a prime location just minutes from premier shopping and dining at Miromar outlets, Coconut Point, and University Village shops. It's also a short drive to Southwest Florida International Airport and I-75, making travel and commuting a breeze. For additional information on this property, please feel free to contact me at 239-357-8787 and start packing.